Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take our quadcopter from a hover position, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move it like straight forward. We'll get more complicated in the next video to where we show how we can rotate it or do some barrel rolls, but I wanted to keep this one simple. So the first thing that I want to do is to start a new storyboard, and this time I'll use the plus down here to start a new storyboard. I want to start from end of the previous one. So our quadcopter is still going to be kind of hovering in the air. Obviously, since it is in the air, I want the rotors to still be spinning. So we're gonna make each rotor spin, and then we will kind of just use a move animation to kind of drag it forward. So there's nothing new that I'm showing you here to make these rotors spin, which I haven't showed you before. So I'll do that, and then I'll skip forward to kind of show you how to make it kind of move forward. So I'll do that, and then I'll be back. All right, so I added the rotate animations to the rotors, and so that I have that where they rotate continuously for 5 seconds, and I don't want this to hover, so I'm going to add a move animation to this quadcopter so that the rotors rotate around while the quadcopter moves forward. So to do that, I'm just going to kind of select everything in the tree over here. I don't want the base pad because I want that to stay right where it is. I'm going to hit tweak components. I want it to move, and then I'm going to grab this arrow that's pointing forward. That's the direction I want it to move. And you can see that I forgot the camera. So let's cancel that. And let's do this again. Accidents do happen. Where is my camera at? Where did that thing go? It's hiding up under here. Oh, there we go. Missed it by that much. Now we're going to tweak it. We're going to make sure we're on move. We're going to grab this arrow, and now the whole thing moves. So let's move it about, I don't know, that looks pretty good. Let's do that. And then we're going to hit the check mark. So now I need to get my storyboard back up here. So let's see what we got. We have, sometimes this is really hard to grab. Come on, baby. Oh, the agony of defeat right here. Just trying to grab this thing. All right, let's do this. And then sometimes you just got to know when you're beat. So anyway, I think this is gonna work. So the 4 squares, that means that our rotors are spinning around and moving forward. And then the rest of them just have the 4 arrows, so those are only going to be moving forward. So let's kind of play this and see what we got. So there we go. It's moving forward. Nothing too earth-shattering, but we're happy. All right, so the next video is where we're going to get really fancy and really tricky. So stay tuned for that one. All right, peace out.